Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Google Drive and locating the files you want gone. Click a single file to select it. If you need several, use Shift plus click for arrange or Control/CMD plus click to pick individually. Once done, check the Details pane to confirm size, owner, and location so you don't delete shared originals by mistake. Make sure to switch views, list versus grid, if that helps you spot duplicates. This speeds selection and reduces accidental removals. Now that your items are selected, decide whether to move them to trash or transfer ownership. Right-click and choose Remove or hit Delete/Backspace. The toolbar's trash icon also works for multiple items. If a file is shared, you'll only remove your access unless you own it, so check ownership to avoid orphaned files. Once in trash, files remain recoverable for 30 days. This safety net prevents immediate permanent loss, while giving you time to restore if needed. To finish, open Trash and choose Empty Trash to permanently delete items. This frees storage immediately. If you change your mind within 30 days, select Files and restore to recover them. If a file won't delete, check its owner and your permissions, or verify Drive sync status. Paused syncing can block changes. If problems persist, sign out and back in or clear browser cache. These quick fixes resolve most permission and sync conflicts, so you can complete deletion reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.